In this video, you are going to see how much time it takes to charge the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE from 1% to 100%. I'm charging this mobile with Samsung's 25 watts charger. Also, I'm doing this test with the phone switched on, connected to Wi-Fi and with a single SIM card inside the mobile. I'm going to share how much it charged every 10 minutes. So you get a good idea about the charging speeds. After 10 minutes, it charged to 21%. This S24 FE comes with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display. This display supports up to 1900 nits of peak brightness. So if you use this mobile phone in direct sunlight or outdoor conditions, the battery is going to drain faster compared to indoors. After 20 minutes, it charged to 36%. This mobile comes with a 4700 mAh battery capacity, which is necessary for this big sized mobile phone. I have been using this mobile phone for a couple of weeks now. In hand, it feels wider to hold even without a case. You will definitely need two hands while using this mobile. After 30 minutes, it charged to 51%. This S24 FE supports a maximum of 25 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. According to Samsung, this mobile phone can charge 50% in just 30 minutes, which we just saw. After 40 minutes, it charged to 63%. So if you are getting started with your day within 30 minutes of charging, you can easily use this mobile phone for a full day if you are a normal user. If you have wireless charging pads while on the go, you don't really need to worry about charging. I expected that it could support even faster charging speeds, but it's not that bad after seeing these charging times. After 50 minutes, it charged to 79%. This mobile comes with the Exynos 2400 chipset. It's a 4nm build processor, so it is an energy efficient chip. I tested the battery drain of this mobile phone for 1 hour straight using different applications. You can check that video in the info cards or in the description box. After 60 minutes, it charged to 93%. So in 1 hour, it charged 93%. If we subtract the starting battery percentage, that's 92%. I thought that this mobile would easily take around 1 hour 20 to 1 hour 25 minutes to charge completely. But it looks like my assumptions was wrong. After 1 hour 10 minutes, it charged to 99%. After 1 hour 11 minutes, it charged to 100%. So finally, this is the time it took to charge from 1% all the way to 100%. Do note that if you use the mobile phone while charging, then the charging time will differ. That's it for this video. I'm going to post a full review of this mobile phone very soon. So if you don't want to miss that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified. Also, check out other dedicated tests of this mobile. Links are in the description box.